Welcome to the EVO eMobile POS demonstration video. You can easily set up your Apple or Android POS system through the EVO eMobile Merchant Console. As you can see here, you can modify your system settings, batch settings, receipt settings, and customer database settings from the Merchant Console. You modify your merchant email as well as your report rows per page. You can set the system to auto-close your batch every specific time period. You can also choose where your batch reports and errors go to. From here, you can also choose which email your receipts come from, as well as which they reply to, as well as adding a subject prefix to your email receipts. You can also modify your product database from the eMobile Merchant Console. As you can see here, you can view the products individually by item, or you can view the items by categories. Instant sales. Sync your online product database with your device and begin taking sales at the touch of a finger. As you can see here, we have our favorites menu, and then it options what to take a payment. You can take credit cards, you can take cash. We have the options to take a check as well. And you can set your customers up for customer payments. Quick payment. For taking a payment on the fly without ringing up anything in your inventory, you can simply input the subtotal and the tax amount for the payment that you're going to take, and then touch pay. And from here, you'll be asked to enter in a description for the charges that you're taking, as well as an invoice and purchase order number. As you can see here, we're charging them for a hoagie, and it's asking for our credit card information. All of our quick payments are done through credit cards. Product database. You can modify and update your products on the fly. From here, we're going to create an item, and let's add a picture. You can simply select a picture from your library. For example, we'll stick with the hoagie. And from here, you simply add the product details, such as the product name, the price, as well as what category it's in, the vendor, the SKU, the UPC, the list price, the inventory that you have on hand, as well as add a description or add to favorites. As you can see, you can add your details and a brief picture for every single item that you have within your database. View your sales history on the fly. From your sales history tab, you can view all of your previous transactions, no matter the tender, as well as check out open orders, partially paid orders, and here you can see the breakdown of your order that still requires some payment. You can add billing and shipping details, as well as custom fields. And here are all of our paid orders. customer tracking from the point of sale. Right from your tablet, you can create and modify customer information and keep it in your database. As you can see here, we're adding a billing address to a customer that we already have on file. You can also add contact information such as a telephone number, as well as an email address to get in touch with them. You can also email all receipts to your customer's email address. From our settings tab, you can adjust all of the settings within your device. From here, you can see we have security settings. You can set it to auto lock. You can also change the PIN to get into your application, as well as enable app restrictions. For instance, you can require a manager PIN to get into certain functions of the application. As you can see here, you can require a PIN to add a product, edit your product, delete a product, add a customer, refund, void, and view transaction history. Quick payment. From here you can modify the default sale type, as well as ask the system to prompt for a tip, to auto print a receipt, to calculate tax for each sale, as well as to auto increment the invoice. And from here you can set your initial invoice. Orders. From here you can set your next order number, as well as the order number increment. You can set up your terminal number, your prompt for tip, as well as tax and tenders accepted options. As you can see here, we're adjusting the tax rate. And here you can customize what tenders you'll be accepting with your new POS system. From here, you can also manage custom fields, receipts. From here, you can create and modify the header for your receipt. And it can be anything as "Thank you for dining with us." You can also mention product specials that you're running in the future. You can also modify the store information that prints on your receipt, such as the company name, the address, as well as a company phone for your customers to be able to contact you from. As you can see, you can also adjust your receipt settings for show tip line item detail, as well as whether or not to show barcodes. Devices. From here, you'll see your devices registered to your application. And we also have our About and our Legal tabs. These two tabs just give you more general information about the application. EVO eMobile POS, available now for iOS and Android devices. For more information, please visit www.goevopos.com.